Back in high school, everyone told me to stop wearing false lashes. Friends, teachers, even strangers, and I didn't listen. And now they're all asking me how to apply them like a pro. Let me show you how. It is beginner proof and game changing. Hey everyone, hope you are all doing well. So the first thing that you need to pay attention in applying false lashes is to choose the right lashes. Pick lashes that help, not hurt. Avoid super long, heavy lashes. Some of you might love using those lashes, but let me tell you something. It's better to use these lashes. Start with soft 3D or 5D lashes because they're full, fluffier, and easier to apply. This is it. Step number 1, prep your glue shield. Never apply glue straight from the tube. It could be the same paper of your own lashes, it could be mirror or any kind of shield that you want. Remember to use something that you know you're not going to use it anymore. This also works. You know, we can use this as our glue shield. I'm going to use this paper. You know, it's optional, you can use anything. If you want to mess everything around you, apply the glue straight from the tube. As I said, I dot it onto a clean surface like this. Now cut both the initial and outer corner. This is actually something that helps you to apply your false lashes even easier. This way we'll have concise lashes. The lashes are ready, then as you know, curl your lashes because we want to block the way of our false lashes. We don't want our false lashes to drop. As I said, I'm going to dab the point of my tube onto my glue. And I don't have to push this anymore. And I'm going to apply a very thin layer onto the lash line. And then we wait from 5 to 10 seconds to make these lashes tacky. Then slightly place your lashes above your real lash line. We let it like this and then try to fix the edges. This is what I do. I fix the edges with my finger. This takes a little bit practice, but trust me, it's gonna become easier. I try to push it into my lid. Now we fix the whole lashes. I think the most tricky part of applying false lashes is the fixing part. This is it. Now, for making the false lashes look even more natural and better, you should complete the lash line with an eyeliner. So as you can see, my false lashes end here to make everything more natural. You can do this gradually, or maybe you want to draw a thick eyeliner. And for the finishing touches, I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is it. Now, all we have to do is to repeat the process for the other eye. Again, I pour some glue and I clean it and I take it with the point of my tube. And after that, you can get rid of this easily. And then we apply a very thin line of glue. Because if you apply a very heavy amount of glue, it doesn't look good. And your eyes become dirty and you cannot control it and you have to wash it and the process becomes difficult, you know what I mean? Again, I wait until it gets a little bit tacky, maybe doing this. And then I place it right above my real lash line and I pinch it to my real lash line. We have to fix everything before it's too late. I try not to move my eyes to let it dry. Then again, I try to make it more natural with my eyeliner. That's it. And this was the beginner-friendly false lashes application like a pro. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more beauty tips, and your support means a lot to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your comments for me. I'll be so much happy to see it. Thank you so much. Bye.